This is the mathematics workshop, and our aim at the secondary level, our aim is to formulate a plan for the way forward. We were charged with the mandate to create a scheme of work for the year and for the purpose of standardization, both within St. Kitts and Nevis. So I do have persons from Nevis here. We also were charged with the responsibility of looking at the way forward for mathematics and trying to capture some of the problems and ways and means of fixing it. However, what we decided to do was to go a step forward. Teachers have indicated that they want to see technology being used, and as such what I did, I asked one of our teachers who's assisting with the workshop to do a presentation which will be done tomorrow. I think it is something that was instilled in children from very small. I know from my own experience, speaking to like students from the grade 4, when they're going over to grade 5, that is when they find that maths is very difficult. Now, if you lose a child in that area around grade 4 or 5, it is usually very difficult to kind of pick up when they reach to first form. But then we do not shirk our responsibilities. We try to build on whatever they know and try to fix whatever needs fixing. Because there's a misconception that mathematics is difficult, but it's not a difficult subject. We do maths all the time. When we catch a bus, we have to make change. When we go to the market, we still have to use money, and that's all mathematics. Yes, I have always been blessed with a very good math brain, and I love mathematics. That is why I'm still teaching. This is one deputy head that's not going to stop teaching because I love math.
Originally, I was slated to be a participant, but when I arrived on Monday, Mrs. Hutchinson asked me to be part of the team that assists in facilitating the workshop. I have taught math since 2000. I'm actually a trained math teacher. When it comes to learning math, students often have a very negative attitude, and it's very difficult to engage them effectively without, of course, dealing with that attitude. So what we propose is to make math more fun and more engaging by introducing technological methods. When it comes to my presentation tomorrow, we'll be looking at ways that we can use technology to enhance the teaching and learning experience. We'll look at how we can use it to create schemes of work, to create entire units or lesson plans, and also to create more engaging lessons that will be creative. Definitely. I think that the students, there can be change. That change, of course, has to start with us as the teachers because we're the ones who put that material in front of the students. And we need to have a positive attitude, we need to have a positive outlook, and we also need to be well prepared. So those are some of the things that we will be looking at. I do believe that some of us as teachers have had negative experiences, but we should use that as a springboard. For instance, my own high school career was not necessarily fun or engaging when it came to mathematics, but ultimately I decided to challenge myself and to be better at something that I consider my weakness, and it is that I hope to bring to my students and to the workshop as well.